In this video, I will show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Now go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now go to the menu by tapping on three horizontal lines located at the top right side. Now scroll down and under how you use Instagram, tap on notifications. Now here you will find an option sleep mode. Sleep mode is nothing but a quiet mode. Earlier it was called as quiet mode and now it is renamed to sleep mode. The functionality of quiet mode and sleep mode is the same. Now tap on sleep mode and here you will find an option sleep mode with toggle button. Along with that you can set start time, end time and days. When you set start time, end time and your required days, Instagram will not send you notification and all the notifications will be muted during the time selected. People will see that you are in the sleep mode. So just enable sleep mode, select start time, end time and your required days, and once done, tap on save. And this will enable quiet mode on Instagram. So that is how you can enable quiet mode on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.